There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2017 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG in diamond white. With HID headlamps, blind spot monitoring, 20-inch aluminum wheels, performance brakes, LED tail lamps, quad exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 14,000 miles on the odometer, touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, soft top convertible, 5.5-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number GM3000.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.